Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change Roblox currency. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Okay, so we're looking for an option that says change currency, right? So if you go to your Roblox settings, okay, and go to your account, unfortunately, you cannot see an option here that says change currency or change Roblox currency. Even if you go to your security, privacy, billing, parental controls, and others here, you cannot see the change Roblox currency option. Okay, so what are you going to do now is to simply install or download a VPN. Okay, or you can add it to your extension. Okay, but first I'm gonna show you what currency I'm using now in my Roblox. Okay, so now we're going to change this currency into, let's just say, I want to change it into dollars. So, like what I've said earlier, you have to download a VPN. So, there are lots of VPNs on Google, and these VPNs are for free. You have to look for any free VPNs. For example, this Proton VPN. Actually, I have this Proton VPN already on my device, on my computer. So, all I have to do is to connect this to any of the country, but for me, specific USA. And if you don't want to download any VPN, you can also add it to your Google extension. Okay. Let's just say, okay, this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to quick connect this one. Okay, but if you don't want to download or install, all you have to do is to go to your VPN extensions. You can see it in the upper right corner. You can see an extension icon there. All you have to do is to tap that one, look for that free VPN extension. For me, I want to connect to USA because I want to see or I want to change my currency in Roblox to dollars. Okay, so as you can see, I am now connected to USA. So all you have to do is to refresh this one to see if your Roblox currency has changed. So obviously it's changed already. So that's how easy it is to change Roblox currency. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.